What's good, Super Nation? What's good, everybody out there? So we have another silver finish video, and the title is Franklin Escapes Lamar's Roast. The infamous roast that he got roasted 1,000 times. But anyway, let us get into this reaction, shall we?
Low come up in your crib? Man,
Here
fuck
we go.
you. I'll see you at work.
Just running. Just ran in. Okay. Is this guy sleeping outside of his... Is that Nico? He's like waiting for this guy to come out of his house. Where is he? I'm not gonna lie, I got jump scared. Me and Franklin. I'm pretty sure you guys too. Yo, who jacked his face? Trevor?
Incredible from Mr. Phillips. Listen, I'm bored. You want to hang out?
Shit, what you think? Of course.
Trevor saved your life. Still got a spatula.
My cousin, it's so good to see you. Let's do some bowling.
What? Nah, man.
Time to rewrite bowling history.
Oh yeah, he's going to be clapping Lamar's balls. Anyway, that was from Silver Finish. Remember, guys, to go over and check out his channel. That last part was, I think Lamar is going to get raped. He's going to get anally raped with some bowling balls. Maybe some pins too. Anyway, you guys enjoy this reaction. Drop a like, post your comments down below, share this video with your friends, and also hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, I'm out.